Hello Ashwin, I'm Shubham Keshri and welcome to this interview. So हमारा ये पहला क्वेश्चन है how we should deal with the negativity of social media.
Right. This is not the first place I get asked this question, and I've had a few clients in the past who keep complaining about the lack of accomplishment or the sense of sadness they feel when they look at some of the successful Instagram stories or when they see high achievers put success stories on LinkedIn. And people have told me that constantly scrolling down on Instagram has led to them feeling sad about their own lives. But it's not that social media is just full of negatives. There are many inspiring stories or posts that can be found on LinkedIn, a lot of social causes that get done that people put up on LinkedIn or Instagram, and these can bring a positive result in our life. But that doesn't mean that there is absolutely no negativity at all. But the thing is, when people tend to spend too much time scrolling through thousands of perfectly edited photographs or watching all those glamorous made edited perfect settings of stories, another super looking 5-star hotels on their Instagram stories, or another perfect Instagram couple. So looking at all these continuously for hours and hours and hours together scrolling down can get really overwhelming for people and can make them feel worse than they already have, because they think their life is amounting to nothing, they haven't achieved much in their life, but that's not true. And it's just that people put up these highlights on their Instagram, and we just get to see those. People don't see their lows as well, the people who put up their stories. So there are a few ways to counter this negativity and a few healthy practices, if I may. It's just unfollowing such negative people on social media, which would be advisable to set a criterion to determine who exactly the negative people in your life are. An example that I can think of is they do not bring any value to your life. That can be a first criterion. They have a negative impact on your mental health, obviously. That would be the second criterion. And the third criterion I can think of is they tend to project their life. All the unfortunate events that they're facing, they tend to project it on Instagram. And you're taking all that, you're taking their projections, which is, you don't need to do that. It's just adding on to your negativity. You're just taking it in for no reason at all by looking at their stories. The second method I can think of is not comparing yourself to others. This is a pretty hard thing to do generally because it needs a lot of self control. And whenever you're having a bad day or feeling low, I would suggest avoid logging on to Instagram or to any other Facebook or any other social media. To be honest, just find other ways to spend that time. Maybe like read a book or have a nice conversation with a close friend or family. Watch a sitcom or a comedy TV show. Generally, watching comedy helps you feel better when you're feeling low or having a bad day. Or just play games on your laptop for a while to get your mind off the uh, reason whatever's making you have a bad day. But just avoiding social media altogether on a bad day is a very good thing because it just doesn't make your bad day worse. And because when you scroll through all these paradise locations that people put up, or all through these backpacking traveling that people do, and all those vacations and all that, slowly you start thinking, like I said, that your life is sad. You're just sitting in one place and doing nothing, and that doesn't really help. And this kind of thinking is not accurate from your side also, because it's just you are having a bad day, and that bad day is fueling such negative thoughts. It's not that your life is actually sad and you're sitting there doing nothing. You are doing a lot, but it doesn't get highlighted when you're having a bad day. So it's just best to avoid social media on those kind of days. And another important thing is just ignoring the trolls. Like, no matter what post people put up, there's always going to be some or the other person putting up negative comments, hate comments, aggressive comments. That's just there. That's just how social media is. I think we need to accept that by now. So the ideal is simply just ignoring or deleting those comments, as they really bring no value to your life, and you don't have to spend your precious time devoting it to those type of comments.